those fit into the FAA regulations for like remote ID and all that stuff?
Yeah, so we actually have a video up online that I say every time we fly develop air, we use remote ID, you know, and we recommend everyone else always use remote ID as well. I really think that is a overstepping of our constitutional rights. Now, however, again, if anyone from the FAA asks, yeah, we absolutely do use remote ID every time. But I really think, and I'm really just focused on how can we make the technology easy to use and valuable enough that the FAA already can enforce the regulations that are on the books right now with, you know, 1 million drone operators. When that becomes 100 million drone operators in the US, how are they going to enforce the laws then? And that's why I'm focused. How can we get to 100 million drone operators in the US? And, you know, the laws are just going to have to adapt to where you can't operate a drone beyond visual line of sight. But right now, if I wanted to do a delivery mission in the way that I've talked about, where I send my own drone from my yard to the nearby Amazon locker, fast food restaurant, retail store, technically speaking, that's illegal. Or even if, like, I'm just in my next door neighbor's house, like right across the street, I go set my drone out in the front yard. I go back in because I'm making dinner or whatever, but I need a couple eggs or whatever small, you know, batch of ingredients from them. It's illegal for me to do so, and I think that is just, one, totally unconstitutional, but two, like, there's already laws. If absolutely worst case scenario, my drone that I send over to my neighbor's house falls and lands on someone and kills them, there's already manslaughter. We don't need a new law to make a criminal of an otherwise law-abiding citizen just for sending their drone to their neighbor's yard. That seems crazy. But that's the world we live in.